Well, it's 7:15. It's been quite a day. I have a new addition to the family. I've named him Phoenix. Phoenix, the bird that rises from the ashes. I just got him today. It's 40 degrees on deck. It's going to be reaching 45 in the next few days, so he's not going outside. And he's just getting used to the environment here. And I'm making sure he's got water and he's got a seed, and I'm going to have to introduce him to new foods, but apparently this is what they fed him at the pet store. Your name is Phoenix Taryn Abi. Yeah. And I just got your cage cleaned out, so I'm going to introduce you to your new home. Then I'm going to sing a karaoke for you. Okay? Are you ready? Are you It's something in his head. Yeah, scratching the stuff out of his head, whatever it was. Okay, all right. I'm going to take you and place you in your new home. Okay? Are you going to go in my hand? Are you going to do it? Come on. Come on. Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. Oh, now he's on the lights. There he goes. Come on. It's okay. No, you have a new home. It's okay. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. Oh my God. Come here. Come on. It's okay. Come on. There. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? Or do you want to climb the stairway to heaven? I think you're going to like it here. Okay. Yeah, it's all right. It's all right. No, don't take off. No, it's okay. I know. Oh, my God. Okay, it's all right. It's all right. Come here. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Be happy. Right, Abby? This is my bird wall. Okay. There he goes. No, it's okay. Seems to be attracted to my daughter's painting. She had a good sense of humor. It's a brave new world. Everybody makes choices. Okay. And then I'm going to have my ginger beef that I got at M&M's. I had a good conversation with him, and my marinated cucumbers. Okay, this is your new home. This is your new home. Look. There you go. Off you go. Off you go. Come on. There you go. Come on. Get in. Get in. No, get in. Inside. There you go. No. That's your home. Okay. Okay, that's your new home. I'm going to give you an apple. Ambrosia apple. And he's got his plastic parrots in there. And this is all clean for you. And they told me that you like cuttlebone. Yeah, so I got you a cuttlebone. So I'll put that at the bottom here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah? And you got lots of water. This is your new home. Welcome. And all birds love millet, so I'm just going to put the millet on top here. You got no natural predators. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Your name is Phoenix, the bird that rises from the ashes. Taryn Abi. That's your name. Yeah. We'll be good friends. And They recommended I get you this iodine block because you're used to it. I'll hook that up later. And then vitamins and a piece of lettuce. Let us pray. Lettuce. Lettuce. Okay. This is your fruit bowl. Anything vegetable or fruit goes in there. And, okay. And then I'm going to put your seed in here. Oh, I got to clean this out some more. And put your seed in there later. Okay, you ready to listen to me sing? Join me. Join me for karaoke. Here I go. Okay. And then I'm going to watch Walk the Line. That's a good movie. And read my recipe book from 1948 from a place in Illinois, Sharpsburg, probably near Chicago or something, in 1948. Interesting recipes here. Okay. So, I don't know why, but I decided to sing to Glenn Campbell. 37 it says. Well, it's not 37 here, it's hotter than that. It's 40 here. Okay. It's going to be getting hotter. Where there's fire, there's heat. So anyways, okay, here I go. I'm going to sing Galveston. I don't know why I picked this one. So this is karaoke. I'm going to do Galveston. Are you ready? Are you ready, Phoenix, Taryn Abi? Okay, here we go.
Want a smarter way to mop? Introducing
After the
new
commercial.
Swivel Power Mop, an all-in-one cleaning tool with a 360-degree swivel head that goes places a regular mop just can't. Mop smarter with the new Swivel Power Mop.
Galveston, oh Galveston, I can still hear your sea winds blowing. I can still see her dark eyes glowing. When I left Galveston, Galveston, oh Galveston, I still hear your sea waves a-crashing while I watch the cannons flashing. I clean my gun and dream of Galveston. I still see her standing by the water, standing there looking out to the sea. And is she waiting there for me on the beach where we used to run? Galveston, oh Galveston, I am so afraid of dying. Before I dry the tears she's crying, before I watch seabirds flying in the sun at Galveston, at Galveston. My bird clock went off in the bathroom and he was starting to chirp. Sonny. He was chirping to the bird clock. Every hour it's a new bird that chirps. Well, there we go. Okay, that's it. How do you like your new cage? I'm gonna have to put some seed in here for you. And then I'll introduce you to some sunflower seeds. I'm sure you'll like them. But if I feed you avocado, no. That's a no-go. Yeah. Say hello to your flamingo friend. And your plastic friends. Are you happy? Don't worry, be happy.